Engineering lessons from the world's worst failures. Welcome back to Blueprint to Reality, the channel where engineering failures are not endings, but beginnings. Every equation we trust, every code we follow, and every safety factor we apply exists because somewhere something failed. Today's video brings together the most powerful insights from history. Engineering lessons from the world's worst failures. Introduction. Engineering failures are uncomfortable to study, but they are essential. Behind every collapsed bridge, fallen tower, or broken dam lies a lesson that reshaped design, philosophy, construction, practice, engineering, ethics, public safety. In this video, we'll extract the core engineering lessons that have emerged again and again from the world's worst failures. 1. Nature cannot be negotiated with. Many failures begin with underestimating nature. Lesson. Wind is dynamic, not static. Earthquakes are multi-directional. Water exerts uplift, erosion, and pressure. Failure examples. Tacoma Narrows Bridge Dam overtopping disasters. Coastal structure failures. Engineering must adapt to nature, never challenge it. 2. Assumptions are the most dangerous load. Every design begins with assumptions. Lesson. Loads change, usage evolves, environmental conditions worsen. Failure examples. Ronan Point progressive collapse incidents, overloaded public buildings. When assumptions fail, structures follow. 3. Connections are as critical as members. Many collapses start at joints. Lesson. Connections transfer forces, small details control global behavior. Failure examples. Hyatt Regency walkway steel frame collapses, precast panel failures. A structure is only as strong as its connections. 4. Failure is often progressive, not instant. Collapse rarely starts everywhere at once. Lesson. Local damage spreads, redundancy saves lives, robustness matters. Failure examples. Ronan Point parking garage collapses, high-rise partial failures. Design for the unexpected. 5. Construction is a structural phase. Many disasters occur before a building is finished. Lesson. Temporary works carry real loads, sequence matters, incomplete structures are vulnerable. Failure examples. Westgate Bridge, Willow Island cooling tower construction stage collapses. Construction is not temporary engineering. 6. Small cracks and defects are warnings. Failures often start small. Lesson. Cracks indicate stress, corrosion weakens silently, fatigue accumulates invisibly. Failure examples. FIU pedestrian bridge, aircraft fatigue disasters, aging infrastructure failures. Ignoring small signs leads to big collapse. 7. Computers don't replace engineering judgment. Advanced tools can still mislead. Lesson. Models are simplifications, garbage input gives dangerous output, human oversight is essential. Failure examples. Sleipner A platform modeling-based design failures. Software assists engineers, it doesn't replace them. 8. Maintenance is part of design. A structure's job doesn't end at completion. Lesson. Durability determines safety, environment attacks, materials, aging structures need care. Failure examples. Champlain Towers, South corrosion-related collapses. Design must include life cycle thinking. 9. Ethics and courage save lives. Many failures could have been prevented. Lesson. Engineers must speak up, safety overrides schedule and cost, silence is dangerous. Failure examples. Quebec Bridge, Sampung Department Store, Rana Plaza. Engineering is a moral profession. 10. Failure is the greatest teacher. Every disaster changes engineering. Lesson. Codes improve, standards evolve, knowledge grows. Failures hurt, but they also protect future lives. Engineering advances because it remembers. Conclusion. The world's worst failures were not meaningless tragedies. They became stronger bridges, safer buildings, better engineers. To study failure is not to dwell on the past. It is to protect the future. If this series deepened your understanding of engineering, Like, share, and subscribe to Blueprint to Reality. Comment below. Which failure changed your view of engineering? At Blueprint to Reality, we respect failure because it built modern engineering. See you in the next video.